As a Filipino, we want something na palaging with rice eh. Hi Munchers! So today, I have this instant cereal rice. Actually, medyo naninibago ako sa kanya dahil kasi mostly it's instant noodles. And also what I have here is their chicken teriyaki. And actually, this is perfect for everyone who's really busy and doesn't have time to cook. And let's open it. May kasama na siyang sauce, rice, toppings, and may spoon na rin. It says here, no need to steam or cook it anytime. So, very convenient Brew with boiling water for 8 minutes. So, papakulo lang ako ng tubig. Then, ilalagay natin yung rice, toppings, and yung sauce. Then, we'll wait for 8 minutes. And then, later ko na siya ilalagay. So tapos na yung 8 minutes of waiting. The moment of truth. Wow! Ang dami niya! So, actually, dapat konti lang pala nilagay ko kasi naalala ko, sabi may shirataki rice and ang shirataki rice dapat 1:1 lang yun. Tikman natin siya without the sauce. Not bad. Dapat pala konti lang talaga yung nilagay mong water. Kasi medyo naging waterish. But it's not bad. It's actually good. Kung talagang gutom ka na and no choice ka, as a Filipino, we want something na palaging with rice eh.